This is a really lovely kind of transition from your winter whiskey warming drink to your more spring and summery tiki rum beverage. It's got those dark spirit elements. It also has really nice orange forward, little sweetness, and it is kind of the perfect cocktail for your kind of winter moving into spring season. So let's go shopping. So first for our rum runner, rum. This is actually a Mexican rum, so it's made with sugarcane from the highlands in Mexico. And the soil there is very like mineral rich and red, gives it really nice complexity, earthiness, depth, and I really enjoyed using it in cocktails. And then next, Irish American whiskey, Keeper's Heart. It is made right here locally, which is super fun, by an Irish distiller, and brings kind of a blend of that American style whiskey and then also like your light kind of Irish style. And it is going to be a great addition to this cocktail. Our Byrrh, which is an aperitif wine that uses the Quinquina bark and then is aged in oak barrels. So what you get is kind of the sweetness and the spice and the kind of quinine flavor, as well as the wine notes too. Back to Solerno. If you've got a bottle and you haven't found enough uses for this yet, here's another one. It brings really bright, fresh citrus, a blood orange note. It's boozy. It's not as sweet as a lot of triple sec and orange liqueurs, and Benedictine. It is made with 27 different herbs and botanicals from a secret recipe that dates back to 1510. It has kind of a honeyed note and again adds a depth and complexity. Okay, so I'll show you how to build our rum runner. 1 ounce dark rum, 1.5 ounces whiskey, 3/4 ounce Byrrh. That's not me being cold. 1/4 ounce Benedictine, 1/4 ounce Solerno, ice, rocks glass with a rock, not a real one, an ice cube, 2 dashes Anglo bitters, give it a little stir, orange peel, come on little guy. And that is how you make a rum runner.